Hello YouTube. Today Everything Gaming is bringing to you a new episode of Pokemon Go thanks to Boy. We will show you the basics of how to play the game. Let's get into it.
So basically how you play is you just get all these Pokemon. You can see how nearby are. See, I have these two mysteries and I just have to walk around to get them. And 3 footprints means they're usually pretty far, like probably on that road in the, as you can see, deep. And then there's 2 footprints means that they're they're pretty close but not that close. 1 footprint means that they're really close, and 0 footprints means that they're probably right on top of you. They just need to load. And you just have to collect Pokemon. Like I could show you, there's that Caterpie right there. And so how you collect them is you have to throw these Pokeballs at them, and after you throw them, you'll catch them. And they can escape. You have to be aware. So I've caught it now. And after you catch it, it just goes in your Pokédex, and you get Stardust. And you saw on the top right that it said +3 Caterpie candy. Sorry about that. See, now I have 3 Caterpie, so I can just transfer these 2 because I don't need them anymore. And that'll give me +1 candy in order if I can evolve one of my Caterpies. And I already have a Kakuna, I think. Oh, wait, that's for the Weedle. Never mind. So yeah, here's a Caterpie, and I have the best one with 15 candy, and I can evolve it. So let's evolve it, and it will become a dun 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 dun. A Metapod. It's 65 combat power, and yeah. So my best one's 316, and you can get Pokeballs, and you can get medals also. Evolve 3 So you have to beware, because if you spend too much Pokeballs, you'll lose them. And in order to get them back, you have to go to like these Pokestops, and you just spin them every 5 minutes, and you'll get. It's too far away from me, but you can get 3 Pokeballs to up to like 6, I believe so. And then after you get to level 5, you can train out, which is basically the game. You can battle your Pokemon, and try to get control of the gym. And there's 3 teams: Team Yellow, Team Blue, and Team Red. And basically they each fight for it, and there's many players, so they're all fighting for it in order to get control of the Pokestop. And after they get control of it, they try to keep it, and they get XP. That's how you level up as when you get better. And that's basically it. So, Everything Gaming. Remember to leave a like below, and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.